Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series, Wolff Bites.
Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Oh. Let's go over the 10 steps to selling a home, and we'll see how our 1-hour sales system plays right in. Number 1, get your pretty house ready to sell. So you may need to clean it up, and you may need to complete some kind of repairs, and you may need to stage the home. Sometimes these houses are perfect, so there won't be any repairs. Remember, we have special staging for our 1-hour sale open house, and that's our display kit. Number 2, set up your buyer incoming call capture. So however you're going to take your buyer calls, whether it's on a cell phone, your answering service, assistant, or voicemail. Number 3, market for your buyers using 4 or more different methods. You're for sure going to use signs. You're going to use the internet, Zillow, you might use door hangers, Facebook, etc. You're going to market your open house through your 1-hour home sale system. You're going to advertise that everywhere you can. For open houses, guys, follow our open house guide. That's in our 1-hour sale system. Number 4, take and make opening calls to buyers. You're going to use our Pretty House Buyer opening call script. Build rapport, establish credibility, and gather information. Those are your 3 goals of that opening call. Number 5, you're going to pre-screen your buyers. You're going to sort the buyers by 2 main factors, quality and category. You're going to follow our pre-screening guide on that, and that's in our What to Do manual, and the responses to buyers guide, depending on how much money they have down. That's the main thing you'll be pre-screening your lease purchase tenant buyers by. Number 6, make closing calls to the prospects and set up appointments. Number 7, do deal meetings, where you're going to get the paperwork signed and collect the documents from the buyer and their non-refundable option deposit check. Number 8, schedule a signing appointment and get their total deposit with your attorney. Number 9, wrap up any details of the transaction. And number 10, turn over possession of the home to your tenant buyer. Now remember, steps 4 through 7, which are the opening call, pre-screening, closing call, and deal meeting, can all be conducted at the open house in minutes instead of hours. So that's why we love open houses. You can see so many buyers in such a compressed period of time and move the house quickly through a great sense of urgency.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.